Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys some wall sconces that I want to make. I have the leftover black frames from those round mirrors in the Dollar Tree, so I thought I'd just use them up. Alright everyone, let's get into the items that I'll be using for this DIY. I have this large burlap roll that I got from Dollarama. It has a nice print on it, so I'll be using that. And I have these Tealight holders I got also from Dollarama, which are very nice. And I have the blinged out gems from Totally Dazzled, you guys. Yeah. And of course we have the leftover frames from the large mirrors from the Dollar Tree. You know, I have lots left over, so I said I'll just use them up. Yeah, and the back part we'll be using also to do this DIY. And I have some white spray paint here from Walmart. And we have some E6000 glue and our tools and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Right, we're going to start by taking our burlap roll and we're going to trace out circles from the back part of the mirror. Just trace out the circles and we'll be cutting them out. And now we're going to take the circle that we cut out and glue it with the E6000 and our glue gun to the back part of the mirror, you guys. And then we're just going to place it back into our frame, you guys, which was spray painted white. Alright everyone, I've decided to add some bling to it, which I'll be using this bling wrap that I got from Totally Dazzled. And I cut it into strips and I'll be placing them going right around the out part and the inner part of our design. Go down, yeah, and I'm making my moves, yeah. Ooh, you know, yeah. Tell me when the lights go down, yeah, make my move, And now it's time to add our lovely gems to our design. So we're just going to take our clippers and you just clip off the back and the little tabs come right off. Now we're just going to glue it down to our design, and I am using the Gorilla Glue, you guys, to glue this down. And now we're going to glue our Tealight holder onto the bottom using our E6000 and some of our glue gun. Tell me where he go. Tell me why you may not hear. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think they look very nice. Now, I would like to share with you that at the back, where I attach back the back part of the mirror to the frame, the back part of the circle to the frame, I added some extra glue just to make sure they didn't pop out back. Yeah, because I found them a little loose. So I just added some extra of the glue gun to it, just to hold it in place. And I think they turned out very nice. I like how these wall sconces turned out all blingy and nice, using the lovely gems from Totally Dazzled. And the extra bling I put around the rim, make it stand out more. I think it looks very nice. And I will leave a link below to Totally Dazzled, so you can go over and see all the bling gems and stuff that she has to offer, plus her bling wraps, you guys. They're so shiny and nice. And here's how they look on the wall, the three sconces. I placed them kind of side by side. You can place them in a straight row going up and down also, but I wanted them placed like this with the three of them, 1, 2, down and one up a little bit. Alright, everyone. I hope I've inspired you with another lovely DIY home decor that you can choose to do. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. And don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye, everyone. Tell me when the lights go down, yeah, now I'm making my moves, yeah. Ooh, you know I'm